Bindurong friend, and also known Vergas. Guess what? He is not a bear nor a cat, but he's related to Tibet. See that bushy tail? It helped him to balance on the vine. And that tail is prehensile.
Wow!
So much love. And the other purpose is you can have from it just like that.
We have no other time slot.
Pinturong sa Balakite. They struggle when they're happy, a high-pitched thrill when they're annoyed, they can run, howl, and leap. And they also have very unusual high feet that they can turn backward and walk down the biggest bird. Okay, yun na.
얘들아, 우리 가야 돼.
And also, they can travel more easily. Here in the Philippines, Binturong can only be found in the beautiful island of Ilocos. So we're in Ilocos. Start with the letter B.
Palawan.
Yes, you are right, sir. In Palawan. That's why they're also known as Palawan Bearcats. Okay, folks, one more time, a round of applause for Luna, our Binturong friend. Bye, Luna! This world is pure wild and crazy. Imagine, spending half of your life